Stick with me. I already got from making spaghetti for dinner. Got these sausages and I'm putting them in the air fryer. Yeah. Air fryer. Look, they're so watery. We cut them up and put them in the pasta. Plop, plop. Mom, how do I turn it on?
Press the button.
Got it.
Now turn the knob, air fryer.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it on?
Should be.
The water's boiled enough. The water's probably boiled enough.
How's the water going?
I think it's okay.
Wait now, it has to be boiling. That's too much water. All day. No, it's way too much.
Oh no, this pasta's gonna burn. Guys, the pasta. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. It fell. Oh.
This is meant to be boiling before you put this in, but
She's helping me.
don't put me on YouTube.
You're already on YouTube. Yeah, come on, gotta go viral.
Get a little bit of oil and put the oil on that.
Let's get the oil. Here. Keep it the oil on for me. Thank you. Oil up, oil up. Now we'll come back when it's done and I'm assembling. This is the final look. Sadie, what do you rate my pasta? I haven't actually tried all of it yet. Try it now. Okay, fine. What's try it? Okay, fine. I tasted a noodle. I'll give it, let's see,
Try it.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10! Thank you. On this. You don't get any. Charlie, what did you rate my pasta? What did you rate my pasta? 2. You rated me a 2 out of 10. How outrageous. I think it's good. I would give it like a 9.5. It's really good. Bye. Oh yeah. And thank you guys so much for 50+ subscribers. Love y'all.